Hey everyone, it's CJ from the Foot Geekz, and today we'll be reviewing the Aigle MacAdames, which is a rain boot from France, hand built in France out of quality rubbers. Now this is probably one of the highest quality rubber boots you can get out there. Now what's cool about this particular boot? Number one, 100% waterproof, no seams where water can leak into the boot. They guarantee to be waterproof, and they do have a lifetime warranty on waterproofing. Now obviously if you cut them with a knife, it's probably not going to keep the warranty going, but there's a couple of cool features about this particular boot. Number one, it's got a beautiful tread on the bottom, as you can see. So even if you're traipsing around, in kind of more rugged conditions, you get good grip on the bottom with this particular boot. It does have good flexibility through your toe. If you have really rigid toes, let's say you have a hallux rigidus, probably not the best boot for you. But if just looking for something to keep your feet dry in the wintertime, awesome boot. Now there's a couple of different ways to wear this boot. As you can see, it's got a little strap on the front right here. Now you can take that off as well, and then it looks like this right here. So you got a couple of different looks that you can use with this. It's kind of more the mucky out and about, everyday city style. So a couple different looks for you on this particular boot. If you have any questions regarding this boot, want to learn a little bit more, please post comments below. And would love for you guys to subscribe to us on YouTube, so please do so up here.